Matrix NEXA. Can't really see this clouds came in, but this has metallic in it. It's very unique. The picture online doesn't do it justice. It's just a very unique, is it mint, is it light sage? I don't know what it is, but here it is on video so you can kind of see what this color is like.
I can see the color perfectly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. This is the white, and it is a flat color. I don't see any metallic. The sun just came out. This is your stark white. The color online doesn't do it justice, but this is how you know this is your white. White.
Because you like white.
White. I like white. It's my favorite. Right, so this is the dark blue NEXA. It does have metallic in it. We haven't cleaned it, sorry. But this is your dark blue NEXA. Mwah, gorgeous. Dark gray NEXA. Let's see. A little bit of
they're all NEXAs?
Yep, they're all NEXAs, honey. This has a little bit of metallic to it, but not a lot. So this is your dark gray. There you go. Vanna white. Here is the gray. This is the light blue NEXA. This does have a little bit of metallic in it, not a lot, but you'll definitely get notice on the road with this one. It's a nice bright periwinkle blue. Oh, my sunglasses make it look different actually. My sunglasses change it. Anyways, this is the blue. Silver NEXA. Metallic, gorgeous. Again, doesn't look like the pictures. That's why we do videos for you guys, because we've got over 100 of these coming in this year.
More like 100,000.
Well, no, not quite that much, honey. So when you're choosing colors, this will help you to actually see it.